had the cutest idea for an outfit. Let's try it on. No, don't joke me if it's not that cute. But let's try it on. I've been wanting to wear like this brown with this shirt. African designer. These pants are from Dillard's. But I still feel like we can do more. We can do more. Let's add some more. Come on. I think I'm just missing like shoes in the bag. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we do. I like it. Let's see. Let's get the bag. See, now I'm struggling. Like, is the blue like I'm popping my shit with the blue? Hold on, let me put it on. Okay, with the bag and the shoes. Is it? Am I crazy to believe I like this? Like, this is something. I like the big blue and brown. I like this together. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I like it, but I've been thinking about this outfit for days, and I'm not sure I like it, but at least I get to see it. But I love the brown and the chartreuse together. It's really giving, but I think the pants are what's throwing me off. Like, maybe if the pants were all brown, like that. I'm gonna try it with some all brown pants and see how I like that. Okay, this is the final look. Felt like the other pants were doing too much, but not enough. I think the brown with the blue goes so well. Who would have known? I got these Fendi pumps on, very comfortable. Brown barrel jeans from Amazon, corset from Zara. This shirt is an African designer. I'll put her name up on the screen. A little Coach bag. I mean, and we're ready for date night. We're ready for time with the kids, aquariums, museums, whatever. Dave & Buster's, very cute. Shoes are comfy. Bag can transition to a crossbody just in case I gotta grab a kid. This is cute. This is an everyday. I won't say everyday. This is a casual but not too much casual outfit for me. I like crazy things. I like to wear crazy things on a daily. I'm not saving my clothes for anything. But you know what? I want to see how many outfits I can come up with this shirt. Let's see what we can do. You guys know I had to put on my favorite pants, my army fatigue with this shirt. This is another possible outfit with my Zara purple pumps that I'm obsessed with. So comfortable. I think they're coming in a burgundy now. Ugh, obsessed with these. Very, very comfortable. With my Brandon Blackwood Kendrick trunk. Nice casual, a little different from the other one. Probably a little bit more casual because it's a cargo army fatigue pant. If you want to do something kind of in between fancy and chill, this is cute. I would add on like a thin belt if I had one. I would do orange. Don't pay me no mind. I just like color. I like to wear color. I like to wear black also when I'm on those chill days, but mostly color. But this outfit is nice, a little bit more relaxed. I like this one as well. I feel like the last one can go in between, you know, a date night and a chill vibe, and I feel like this is a little bit more on the chill. And what I want to reiterate is to make sure you dress up in your closet so that you can revamp your outfits. This is just me basically playing in my closet, trying to find different outfits to go with this shirt. So a day that I want to wear this shirt, like, oh yeah, I had that outfit in mind. So let's make sure that we're wearing our clothes, reusing our clothes. You don't have to buy a new outfit all the time. I know we say it all the time, but you don't have to buy a new outfit every event. You got clothes in your closet. Revamp those outfits. Rethink of different ways how you can wear your clothes. Let's see what else I got with this shirt. Okay, I have another one. This is a bit crazy. It's a bit crazy, but I like it a lot. This skirt, thrifted. Mojave, shoes, thrifted. Bottega, bag, Alexander McQueen. Like, again, you gotta play in your closet. I don't know where I'm wearing this to, but it's gonna get warm. Okay? I don't know where. I don't know when. But it will. Like, obsessed perfectly. The shoes match perfectly. Didn't plan that at all. And it's just so feminine, so girly. Like, this is something you wear to the Kentucky Derby, maybe. And a hat. I don't know. I love color in the springtime. Fall, winter, I'm in black. I'm in black. I can't do, but where am I going? Where am I wearing this to? It's so feminine, so cute. I love it. Love this one. Let's see if I can come up with one more outfit with this shirt. I think I've had jeans, I've had cargos, I've had a skirt. Let's do a pant because those last pants didn't work out with the shirt. So I think I have a pair of pants that'll go perfectly. So let's see. Okay, so this is the shirt with the pants. They're both by the same designer. She's like, the pants, I don't know what type of social she does, but the waist is tight. The butt part fits, like, it's snug. It's perfect. Shirt with the purple. I never thought to wear it with the purple, but this is cute. Bag, Brandon Blackwood. These shoes are Attico, little mules, very cute. Satin. This is like more of a dressy vibe. You know, you go into maybe a dinner, something a little bit more fancy, but this is 4 ways that you can wear this chartreuse shirt. It's just a fabulous top. And again, I want to remind you to make sure you're wearing the clothes in your closet. Go in your closet, play dress up, get rid of the stuff that you don't like, is not your style anymore, has holes, don't fit. If you haven't worn it in forever and it still has tags, toss it out. I mean, don't necessarily toss it out, but donate to the Goodwill or to someone, family members or whatever. But just play in your clothes, figure out your body type. After you clean out your closet, figure out your body type. Figure out your color analysis. Know what colors look good on you. And know what colors make you feel good too. It's not always about what colors look good on you, but what color do you find yourself feeling your best? Make sure you stick to those things because your appearance, that's the first thing that people see. Make sure your appearance is good. These are tips from a image consultant. My name is Tara. I'm a wife, a mother, a fashion lover, and I love to help women take their image from basic to confident. You guys have a good day, and don't forget, play in your closet.